Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the shoe and immediate workspace. Clean loose dirt with a soft brush and wipe seams with 91% isopropyl. This removes grime that blocks removers. Once done, blot a tiny hidden area with your chosen solvent to confirm no color loss. Use a cotton swab to apply for 5 to 10 seconds. If safe, start on an outer edge. Apply remover sparingly, let dwell briefly, and use a plastic scraper to lift soften paint. Work from the paint edge outward. You proceed methodically across the upper, treating one small section at a time so solvents don't saturate the leather or glue. Apply remover, wait 10 to 20 seconds, then gently lift with a plastic scraper. Follow with a soft toothbrush for textured areas. Blot residue with a microfiber, don't rub, or you'll grind paint into pores. If paint resists, repeat short dwell cycles rather than a long soak. Make sure to keep solvent off midsoles and eyelets by masking with painter's tape as you work. You finish by neutralizing solvent traces with a lightly damp cloth, then a quick pass of 91% alcohol to remove residue. Let shoes air dry at room temperature. Once dry, condition leather with a small amount of suitable cream to restore oils, and use a fine brush to touch up any tiny gaps with matching acrylic paint. If you encounter stubborn staining or color loss, stop and reassess. Try a conservative color corrector on a hidden spot, and if unsure, consult a professional sneaker restorer to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.